If you have more than one work in progress or book in your list of published accomplishments, you can benefit from reusable master page templates. Create a page once in Atticus and use it in as many books as you'd like across your Atticus account. You can even update a master page one time and have it apply that change to all the books using that page. In this tutorial, we're going to walk through the process of creating master pages that you can use and reuse across any or all books within your Atticus account. To create a master page, you'll first need to design that page within a book you're working on so it appears exactly how you'd like it to be set up. Starting with your front and back matter pages that are commonly the same or very similar in each book you write is a great place to start. This may be your About Author or Also By page, a review request page, or even a call to action. Once you're happy with it, click the three dots beside that page's title in the left navigation panel and choose Save as Master Page. To access it in another book, open that book, click the three dots beside the Add Chapter button, and choose Master Pages. You'll see a list of all your master page template options. You'll then just need to drag and drop the page where you need it to be. It can take a minute to sync across all your books, especially if you have quite a few books in your account. If you're not seeing it right away, it may just need a bit more time. You can also try doing a hard refresh. Once you've created a master page, at the bottom of that page in any book you add it to, you'll see a button to the lower right of the writing editor that allows you to apply changes. If you don't click this button, any updates will be on that page of that book only. If you do click, Atticus will sync the changes you've made across all the books currently using this master page, as well as overwrite the original for all future uses. You will also see a pop-up to ensure you really want to take this step. Once a template is created, you'll be able to find it in your Master Pages gallery accessible from your home dashboard. For each master page, if you click the three dots beside the title, you'll have the following options: Edit Details, Sync to All Books, Delete. If you choose Edit Details, you can edit the master page. You can also edit any master page from any book it is used in and sync using the link we previously discussed. Sync to All Books will also provide you with that pop-up reminding you that if you continue, any updates you've made to this master template will be applied to the version of this page in all books within your account that are currently using the master page. Delete will remove the master page from your account. There will always be a confirmation pop-up to assure you don't accidentally delete your page. If you delete a master page from the Master Pages gallery, it will not remove the page in all of your books that it is currently added to. It simply will not be available to add to new books. When you originally create a master page, it will take on the name of the chapter or page title you created it with. If you'd like to create two or more versions of a page, you can change the title of the master page in order to differentiate between them in the gallery. For example, one of the most common uses of a master page is to create an author bio, or also by page. If you have multiple pen names, you may want to have more than one About Author template or also by page. To differentiate between them, you can add your pen name to the title in the master page. When you add it to a new book, if you don't want the pen name there, you can simply delete it in that book without syncing the change to the master template. Editing a page from the Master Pages gallery provides you with a much simplified view of Atticus. The reason you aren't provided with all standard formatting options is because the master page will always take on the theme settings of any book you place it in. It will automatically update to reflect the theme of each book. If you found this tutorial teaching you how to create and use master pages efficiently within Atticus helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up or save it to one of your playlists to refer back to later. If you're looking for more useful tips for using Atticus, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the notifications bell to always be the first to know when new videos are released.